Sekhmets children to Sekhmets Healing Kitchen. I am Sekhmets of Fire Sun. And today I'm going to show you guys my first Max Hydration Method 5-part series. And today is our first part, the Cherry Lola Treatment. So stick around if you're interested to see how my hair will turn out, because I am excited to know also. So remember to like the video so that it can be seen across the YouTube world, and hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Share and comment. This is my first time trying the hydration method because I can't seem to keep my hair moist. It's like I'm constantly having to put water on it. And then when you put water on it, what does it do? It shrinks. So, but my hair is getting thicker. I don't know if you guys are noticing. You know, remember I told you I was gonna be working on my edges? But I also noticed I have a couple of other balding spots that I'm working on. And so we will, as time goes on, we will be working on those. This particular Cherry Lola Treatment off of Birdie.com, BYRDIE.com. It was an article on the Max Hydration Method. And so this is where I got my information from. So the first item is yogurt. Now the recipe calls for 2 cups of yogurt. I only have 1 cup. And so it's, you know, DIYs is about working with what you have. So we're gonna take this 1 cup of yogurt, and it's Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. Excuse the heavy breathing. I am a heart patient. Okay. And this one is probably gonna be enough for me anyway, because I don't have a lot of hair. Okay. And then the next item is 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And you can get any kind of baking soda. Baking soda is a sodium bicarbonate. So what I'm gonna do, since it called for 2 cups of yogurt, I am going to only use half of all of the instructions. So I am going to use 1 tablespoon of baking soda. 1 tablespoon. And I evened it out. Okay, 1 tablespoon. Anytime I say 1, it was 2 in the original recipe. All right, now 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This is brand new. Let's shake it up. Let's get the mother. Ooh, it's fizzing because of the apple cider vinegar and the baking soda, of course. Now I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of raw coconut liquid amino acids, okay? And you can use the other one too. Let me show you what the other one looks like. If you don't have this one, the coconut one, you can use this one also. I have both. I am putting 1 tablespoon of organic coconut amino acid. Let me shake it up. Okay. Call for 1/2 tablespoon of honey. So I'm just gonna put that, 1/2 tablespoon of honey. This is 1 tablespoon, so I'm gonna put 1/2 of that. I'm using raw honey. Okay. That's honey. And it asks for 1 tablespoon of molasses. Make sure you get the unsulfured molasses. And the original recipe calls for 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna put a half a tablespoon. The original recipe asks for half of an overripe banana. So I'm only going to put 1/4 of that. It's the banana. I took 1/4 off. It's overripe, like they asked for. They asked for 3/4 tablespoon of avocado. This is overripe itself. So they said 3/4 of a tablespoon. So I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix this all up. And the recipe says to put it on dry hair, but I have low porosity hair, and so that will not be happening. So you mash it till the everything becomes nice and smooth, because everything is ripe. The banana's ripe and the avocado is ripe. I have a masher. Okay, I'm gonna use this masher. Alright, Sekhmets children, here it is. This is the Cherry Lola. Alright, Sekhmets children, on the birdie.com website, it says that to put this Cherry Lola treatment on dry hair, but I have low porosity hair, so my hair needs to be wet in order for products to penetrate the shaft of my hair. Okay. So here we go. And you always got to make sure that the hair is detangled. So I made sure I did that before I came on here. And so it's a messy job. So they said from the root to the strands to saturate the hair. The reason I decided to try this maximum hydration method is because every wash day, my hair would be dry, and week after week, I just had dry hair. And so the benefits of the maximum hydration method is a care regimen. It typically comprises of 5 steps designed to systematically increase moisture levels in the hair until max hydration is reached. Hydration is the key to a juicy wash and go, no matter your hair type, which is essentially what the maximum hydration method is all about. How does the max hydration method work? If you're someone with low porosity hair And that means the hair cuticles are tight and sometimes resistant to soaking up water and moisture, and that's been my problem. So this 5-step regimen is said to hydrate, strengthen, and stretch curls while maintaining volume. Being this is my first max hydration method, and the first part is the Cherry Lola Treatment. What it does, it hydrates, reduces frizz, and makes the hair easier to detangle. Also, when using the Cherry Lola Treatment, you only use it every 2 weeks. Sekhmets children, my hair is feeling so soft with this Cherry Lola treatment. Yeah, make sure you check out my tobacco DHT treatment and how I made it. It's an Ayurvedic DHT treatment, and I used tobacco. You see, your hair can't help but grow with all this attention you give it. It's beautiful attention. So that's why the hair is growing, and everybody don't want long hair. But I just want to prove to myself that I have the ability to grow my hair by utilizing products from home. I have a patch back here that would never grow, but now it's just thin. It's just thin now, but it's getting thicker. So I'm working on that. I'm working on my edges and this bald spot up here. All right, Sekhmets children, we are going to wrap my hair up for 2 hours. Wasn't all that messy. That was good. Okay, for 2 hours. We'll be back. All right, Sekhmets children. It's 2 hours later. And this is the result. Wow, that's nice. Huh. This has a funny smell. Okay, so that's what my hair looks like when it's fully hydrated. But I need to know what it's gonna look like when all of this is done. Look at that, guys. All right, Sekhmets children. This is the first part of my first Max Hydration Method 5-part series. And this is the Cherry Lola Treatment. The next video will be part 2, and it will be to clarify. So thank you, Sekhmets children, for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment Sekhmets children if you actually utilize the Cherry Lola treatment. And if you do use the Cherry Lola treatment, how often do you use it? And yeah, do you use it every 2 weeks? Do you use it once a month, every once in a while? Please comment below. And don't forget to share, and share. Remember to love yourself unconditionally, without judgment. Until next time.